done driving out to the bar today, but on our ride, we came across some people need some help, so, you know me. Go team, surrender the booty. Another one for the club. Let's get these guys out of here. They're hydrolocked right now, so this is under all me, unfortunately. Let's hope my motorboat. Yeah, my motorboat can take care of this alright. Hopefully, because this is going up on the video. Stay tuned. Here we go. Here we go. Right on out of this fucker. That got deep! That got deep quick! Alright, that's the end of the video. Now, we are going to be pulling them forward. They're in reverse. I'm pulling them out the hole. This is going to be fun. I'm trying to get out of the water right now once we're out of the water, but it's going to be like a rock fucking pulling up through that goddamn thing. Alright, excuse my language, more to be... And now the light at the end of the tunnel.